This is ZTE Blade A71, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to begin with, swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar and launch the notification and control panel, then expand the list of available shortcuts, find among them the shortcut that is responsible for the Wi-Fi, then touch and hold. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of. In particular, I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to, then tap on it. At the following network details page, tap on the share icon at the, top right corner, and in here you'll be provided with a QR code that can be further scanned in order for any device that you use for it to get automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.